Hey guys, it's Kirby. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be reviewing some lashes. These are the Ioni 3D Faux Mink lashes. I got them at the Dollar Tree, so they were $1 each. If you are interested to see how these dollar lashes perform, then please keep watching. Okay guys, we are reviewing more dollar lashes. I got these again from the Dollar Tree. However, they are not the Sassy and Chic brand. They are Ioni, I-O-N-I. I know that there are a couple of other places that sell them other than the Dollar Tree. That is just personally where I purchased them. I got 5 different pairs. They had like 8 different styles. However, I've been liking a good dramatic lash lately, so those are the only styles that I picked up. This is like their fall packaging or their Christmas packaging because it is December, and so that is where we're at. Usually I've seen these recently at the Dollar Tree and it's just like black packaging. I think they also had some Halloween packaging. Again, $1. So first, let's talk about this packaging, okay? Look at how cute this like tartan plaid, like scarf looking packaging is. Super duper cute. Also, not to mention, the fact that they have like 8 different styles is amazing. I'm going to show you the styles up close and personal because these are like, they look unbelievably high quality. On the box it says 100% handmade. It gives you the description of like the style of lash as well as 3D faux mink lashes, which most of my lashes that I get from like the drugstore are faux mink. They're very full, voluptuous lashes. However, they're a lot more expensive than $1. Also, on the back of the packaging, it has the little bunny rabbit. It says cruelty-free and vegan. And then it also tells you a little bit of how to apply them. Now, as I said, I only got 5 different kinds of lashes. I will pop up some pictures later on to show you the actual how many different styles they had. But again, I've been into a dramatic lash, so I just, for budget's sake, even though they're all $1, I just got the dramatic ones that I know that I would use most often. However, they did have quite a few different natural styles and light styles. So if you're just starting out with lashes or you don't like as dramatic of a lash and you just want to give your lashes like a little bit more fullness or like a little something something, they had those natural light lashes as well. These are the Wispy full lashes. These actually look the most identical to like an Ardell Wispy lash. They look like they have a really thin band and they're very nice and full, which is really nice as compared to the Sassy and Chic lashes that I just reviewed on my channel. Those were more lengthening lashes. They did not offer a bunch of volume. This style is the natural cat eye. Not as dramatic, probably more of an everyday lash. This style is the Wispy cat eye, which they are definitely long. This is like a nice date night lash. Definitely add a little drama to your eye. This style is called the Wispy Doll Dramatic. These are very full. I know it doesn't show as much on camera, but these are actually very full. And then these are the Dramatic Wispy, what does this say? Spiky. So this is Dramatic Wispy Spiky style. Again, very full. If you haven't noticed, I like a very wispy lash. I know that they, again, had more natural lashes, more light lashes. Again, I have pictures of those, so I'll try and like zoom in on them. There were like wispy lights, natural wispy, natural cat eye lights, and things like that. I'll pop those pictures up right here and kind of zoom in on more of like the natural lashes. What was really cute is that at the Dollar Tree, the display, it was like Ioni lash bar, and I was like, oh, how cute. The Dollar Tree has a lash bar. I think you can buy these Ioni lashes on Shop Miss A too. So I'll link all of that down in the description box wherever you can buy these lashes. I will put that in the description box below, those links, so that you can check them out on your own time. Why I'm so on board with like $1 lash, I like more expensive lashes. I really do, I promise. But if you're just starting out with lashes and or you're trying different styles or more dramatic lashes, or again, you're just trying to figure out how to get them on your freaking eye, like, you don't want to spend a lot of money on lashes that you're probably just going to end up ruining. TBH, I've spent my fair share on money for higher end lashes when I was first starting out a few years ago with lashes, and I ruined many a pair of lashes. So I really cannot encourage you enough that if you're just getting into lashes, just practice with the Dollar Tree lashes or dollar lashes, wherever you can get them, because then you're not going to feel so bad if you ruin them. You know what I'm saying? I have nowhere to go today other than picking my daughter up from Wii School. So I think I'm just going to use the natural cat eye lashes. I think these are, I said, like a really great everyday lash. What is kind of a bummer about these lashes is that they do not come with glue, so you need to pick up your own glue at the drugstore, grocery store. Unfortunately, the Dollar Tree does not sell lash glue yet. But if you're buying these on like Shop Miss A, or if you're buying them on another online retailer, they do probably sell lash glue in a different situation. I'm going to use my Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. This is the one that I've been liking. This is the one that I like to use all the time. For those of you who do not know how to apply lashes, the box gives you little instructions, and it says, carefully remove the eyelash with tweezers, compare false lashes with your eyeline length, trim to suitable length if necessary, add glue along the lash line, hold the eyelash on the root of your natural lashes with light pressure. If necessary, apply eyeshadow or eyeliner to make your eyeline look more natural. So that's just what we're gonna do. We're gonna measure and apply. The box says to apply glue to your lash line. I have personally never applied lashes that way. If you have wonderful success doing that, please let me know in the comment section below. I've always applied my glue to my lashes and then my eyeball or my eyeline, lash line, you know what I'm trying to say. So if you want to let me know if that would be a good like hack to try out or like video, or let me know your success with it, that would be great. So here we have the natural cat eye on. Again, this is a very subtle lash, but I kind of like that. It does add a little bit of length, slight volume at the base. The lashes themselves are very soft, actually quite high quality, the actual lashes themselves. The band though, on the actual lash, like the band, it's a little difficult to work with because once you rip it off of its like container, it pretty much flattens out. They use a lot of adhesive to keep the lashes on the packaging, and so it was a little difficult to kind of like break that up to make sure that it would stay on my actual lash. But these are really nice for $1. Very, very nice. Alright, I'm going to go off camera and I'm going to pop this other one on, and then I will come back for final thoughts. Lashes applied. You guys, I'm in love. So they do not feel very plasticky at all. I was really worried because sometimes with inexpensive lashes, you get kind of a lower quality product, of course, because you're only paying $1 for it. And especially with lashes, they can be really plasticky and they can feel like they're digging in to like your inner corner or your outer corner, or they can just feel very, again, fake, which I know they're all fake lashes, but like, bear with me. However, these, like I said before, the actual lash itself, unbelievably soft and natural looking for $1, not shiny, so I'm sure that they would photograph really, really well. What is this style? The natural cat eye style. This one is really great for every day. It does not add a lot of drama. It just kind of gives you a little bit more of a manicured look. I cannot wait to dig into some of these more dramatic lashes, especially for my Instagram. So make sure that you are going to follow me on Instagram at Kirby Rose Beauty so that you can see some of these more dramatic lashes in use. My only complaint, my absolute only complaint with these is that, and I'll pop up a picture right here, is that when you pull them off of the packaging itself, they do kind of go straight, like stick straight almost, because they use an unbelievable amount of adhesive to keep the lash in the packaging itself. And it is kind of hard to peel that adhesive off to use your lash glue to stick it on. That's my only complaint. However, the band itself is so malleable, or like it's so soft, that putting it on my lash line, I did not have a bunch of problems, and it didn't like stay straight. Some lashes, when you peel them off of the packaging and they kind of go stick straight, then you try and put them on your lash line, the band is not as malleable and it can't like curve to your eye shape. Does that make sense? However, I didn't have any problems with that. It's just my only complaint is that they used an unbelievable amount of glue on their packaging. But let's say Ioni packaging, cute. 100% handmade, awesome. Cruelty-free and vegan, awesome. Gives you little instructions, boom. One downside, and you have to use your own adhesive, which personally, so many people have like allergies and sensitivities. Like, I would prefer to choose my own lash glue anyways. But that's a personal opinion. I don't know. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below. Alright, so that was the video. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. I will link where you can get these lashes everywhere and lash glue down in the description box below. So if you are interested in trying some of these Ioni lashes, then you can do that on your own time down in the description box. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Have you tried these lashes? Have you tried other inexpensive brands of lashes? Let's start a conversation down in the comment section. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on another review or tutorial. Thanks so much for watching, guys.